Hi, friends. Welcome back to Quick Tips for Circle Communities. I'm Rachel Starr, Circle expert and certified partner, and this month, Circle ships some updates that I am really excited about. Like reach out to clients immediately, excited. You'll see what I mean in a minute. We've got a new member map, a built-in video recorder, some email hub upgrades that are going to change how you segment your list, upsell improvements, and a handful of other quality of life updates that are worth knowing about. Let me walk you through all of it and give you my honest take as we go. Let's get into it. First up, the member map. You can now pull up a map view right inside your member directory. If a member has set a city, region, or country in their profile, they'll show up on the map. Members in the same location cluster together, and you can click that cluster to open a filtered directory view of everyone in that area. Privacy is handled well, no exact addresses. Members who haven't set a location or who've opted out of the directory won't appear at all. Available on web and desktop for all plans. My take, it's a fun feature. If your community has a local or regional component, think in-person events, geographic cohorts, city-based networking, this is actually really useful. If your community is fully online and location doesn't factor into how people connect, it's a nice to have. Not every community needs it, but the ones that do are going to love it. Next, the built-in video recorder. You can now record video directly inside Circle, camera only, screen only, or both at the same time. It works inside posts, comments, and course lessons. In lessons, you'll see a new record video clip option right where you'd normally upload featured media. Recordings can be up to 30 minutes. Once you're done, you can edit the thumbnail and share without leaving the view. Every recording automatically gets AI transcriptions and transcoding, just like any other video you upload to Circle. One thing to note, recordings count towards your total storage usage in the media library, and recording access follows your existing allow members to upload media settings. So if member uploads are currently disabled, the recorder will be hidden from members too. Worth double checking that setting if you want to control who has access. Rolling out on web now with mobile and desktop app coming. My honest take, I love that it's built right in. For casual community use, quick coaching responses, informal updates, answering member questions with a video, it totally works. Where it has room to grow is screen share positioning. Right now, you can't move yourself on screen. So if you're highlighting something in a corner, there's a good chance your camera feed is sitting right on top of it. I'm keeping an eye on this one. The foundation is solid, and I think it's going to keep improving. And a quick heads up, if you're not seeing some of these features in your community yet, that's totally normal. A lot of these are gradual rollouts, so they may not be live for you quite yet. Now, Email Hub. This is where things get good this month. 3 upgrades here that I want to walk through. First up, workflow triggers for email opens and clicks. You can now trigger a workflow based on whether someone opened a specific email or clicked a specific link inside one. And this works for both broadcast emails and workflow emails, which makes it really flexible. You can choose which email triggers the workflow, and for clicks, you can choose which specific link inside that email. So if someone clicks a link for a new offer but doesn't purchase, you can follow up. If someone clicks on a particular topic, you can tag them by interest. This is the kind of segmentation that used to require a more advanced email platform, and now it's right here inside Circle. I'm already planning to use this to track who's clicking on new product links inside the Code Creator Society. Very excited to put it to work. Second, send from multiple addresses. And okay, this one is my favorite. I reached out to clients the moment I saw it. You can now set up multiple sender addresses within the same community and choose which one to use per broadcast or workflow email. Different sender names, different reply to addresses. One set as the default. The domain stays the same across all of them. So, why does this matter? Because it means you can send personalized emails from your own name and email address and send community related updates from your community moderator or community manager. The right person is getting responses from the right person. It keeps your communications cleaner, more intentional, and honestly, more professional. It's such a smart update, and I think a lot of you are going to use this immediately. Third, view in browser. Emails sent from Email Hub now include a view in browser link in the footer. When clicked, the email opens in the recipient's browser with personalization intact. Simple but useful, especially when email clients don't render things correctly. Next, upsell improvements. You're using upsells inside Circle. This update matters. You now have full control over your upsell page. Hero image, copy, countdown timer, media blocks, testimonials, price callouts, all customizable. You can add video to the Heroes section and preview across devices before publishing. And the part I'm most excited about, upsell analytics. Views, conversions, conversion rate, and revenue lift are all visible now, including lifetime revenue from customers who accepted the upsell. Upsell workflow triggers are live too, so you can automate follow ups based on whether someone completed checkout, accepted the upsell, declined it, or abandoned it. This is upsells actually becoming a real sales tool inside Circle. These are the kind of improvements that make a meaningful difference in how you can run your business on the platform. Now, a few more quick ones. Workflow search. You can now search by name across your workflow list and the template library. Small update, but if your workflow list has gotten long, you will use this immediately. Space and space group restoration. Admins can now restore deleted spaces and space groups from a new deleted tab under Content Spaces. Posts, comments, members, everything restores with the space. Content is recoverable for up to 30 days. Okay, I'm going to be transparent. I, for one, have emailed Circle support about a deleted space before, so this update is deeply personal and so satisfying to me. Multiple year installment plans are available now for communities using Circle Payments, useful if you're running longer programs like multi year coaching tracks or certification programs where annual payments make more sense than one lump sum upfront. And Granular chat blocking gives admins separate control for posts and comments, embedded chat rooms, and direct messaging. Each one works independently now, so moderating a member's post doesn't accidentally cut off their ability to message and chat, and vice versa. Much more precise. Okay, friends, that is the full March update, and I am happy with this one. The multiple from addresses feature on Email Hub is my personal highlight this month. The email workflow triggers for opens and clicks are going to be powerful for segmentation. And honestly, the restored spaces tab might have saved me some stress if it had existed sooner. The video recorder has great potential and it's already useful for in-community content. Just keep your expectations calibrated for where it is right now and watch for it to develop. And before I let you go, if you're building on Circle and you haven't set up your Circle Discovery listing yet, go do that. It's free. Circle's team will build the listing for you, and it puts your community in front of the people who are actively looking for what you're building. I have both Co-Creator Society and the AI Community Crew listed. One set up as a community and one as a course. I'll link both in the description so you can see what the profiles look like. If this was helpful, subscribe so you can catch the next one. And if there's a Circle feature you want me to cover, drop it in the comments. I'll see ya in the next one.